What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today we have a unboxing. We're unboxing the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and we're also going to do a bit of setup on how you can protect your new iPhone, because unexpectedly, this is a segue to our sponsor. Today we are actually sponsored by WSKEN, which actually has a really cool application method. Not only is this a screen protector, but it comes with a really interesting applicator as well that removes all dust and everything, and kind of just like you stick your phone into the device and you just pull a strip and it places everything for you. It's gonna be really cool to check out. And they also have a complete protection solution because we have a lens protector as well to protect your cameras as well as the front of your phone. So we're going to go ahead and jump into this one and see what everything looks like. All right, so first things first is the iPhone 15 Pro. I'm going to show you the sides. There isn't too much really to see here. We have standard Apple packaging. Let's go ahead and open this up. I may have to blur this, but we're going to go ahead and pull these two tabs from the top and the bottom. And now we can simply open up the box. So if we look on the bottom here, we have a small cutout so that the camera isn't affected at all. And then here is the phone itself. Let's go ahead and pull that out. We do have a tab here to lift it up. And very nice. I'm going to leave this covered for now and see what else is in the box. So we do have a USB-C to USB-C cable. This is really interesting. Let's get this paper off. Nice to see they're using paper here to wrap these as well. And yeah, we have a nice braided cable. It didn't seem braided at first, but it is a braided cable, and it is USB-C to USB-C. There is no charger in this box. It's been a while, but iPhones no longer include chargers by default. We do have the settings here. A few informational packets. We get our Apple sticker. We get our terms, and you no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate during purchase. That's all finished with. And that's about it. Nothing else is in this box. The main attraction is the phone itself, so let's slide these away. And let's peel this off here. Very clean. Let's take a look at the back of the phone without touching the front, at the sides, the bottom, and the top. So we're going to place this on the case for now and take a look at some products from our sponsor. This is the WSKEN Pursue Forever screen protector. So let's go ahead and open this guy up. We got some holes in the front, which will hopefully make it easy to just kind of tear open. Yep. And let's see what's in the box. We're going to pull this out. It won't come out. What's in the box? All right. Here is why I said it's kind of an interesting one. This is an applicator that's made to cleanly place the screen protector on your phone. So everything is already kind of built in. We're going to take a look at what's included there shortly. All right, so if we go ahead and open this up, you'll see why I said this was kind of an interesting or new way to actually apply screen protectors. You'll see we have what looks like a standard screen protector in here. But what's different is it's actually connected to an applicator with some plastic pins, as well as a way to pull it off. I'll show you more about this shortly. We'll set this aside. We have a second screen protector along with the entire applicator. We have our instruction manual here, which we'll go ahead and get a close-up of here. All right. We have some nice panda stickers here. It's always nice to see some fun stuff included on the side. Almost always with screen protectors, you tend to get some stickers. Maybe it's because they're making the same kind of adhesives. We have a thank you card. Always fun to see. And this is actually a really quality applicator. It's made out of full plastic. It has a nice little key ring here in case you want to hang it up somewhere and keep it. It's really thick, and it has a fabric top here. So this is perfect for getting bubbles out if there's any bubbles or air left inside or underneath the screen protector. Very nice that they included this. Hopefully we won't need that, but quality tool. And then if we go inside here, I believe these are the wipes to get your phone clean and everything. Let's take a look at what's inside. Yep, we have a microfiber cloth here. We have wet wipes, dust absorbers, and essentially a set of wet wipes and dust absorbers. Great. So let's see how this contraption works. So we're going to place the phone with the cameras up over here into the applicator, just like that. All right, now it's time to apply the screen protector. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the plastic housing here, and we're going to make sure that this is clean and free of dust. I'll show you the phone's orientation in just a moment. So if I pull this phone out of here, you'll see that the bottom of the phone is here, and the cameras are on the bottom. So we're placing that in that direction, and it should fit nice and snugly into the case. Then we're going to grab one of the included screen protectors, ensuring that the arrows are on the bottom here, and we're going to drop this in, and you'll see that they'll snap right into place here, and you'll just add some pressure until they snap into place. And we can just place this underneath this orange piece there, and we're going to go ahead and close this up. Now, first step is to pull this tab, and that's going to remove the dust or adhesive on the bottom. And once that's done, we're just going to pull the entire top plastic to the left, and that's going to apply it to the phone and remove hopefully any bubbles. And we can pull this back as well. And when we open it up, we have one last plastic piece here which we can remove, and our screen protector is applied. Now we can use the included applicator to just get rid of any extra bubbles as we have here on the bottom. Now let's go ahead and turn this on and see what it looks like. Now, that's not all WSKEN sent over. We want to completely protect our phone, so we actually have a camera lens protector here. Let's go ahead and open up this camera lens protector. Looks like there's a tab on the bottom here. If I can get it, we'll kind of brute force it, that's okay. And we'll see what's inside. All right, so we have an interesting one here. We'll take a look at that in a second. We have our instructions here. We have another thank you card. We have some more stickers. We have another cleaning kit, which I won't open this time since we have a few left over. And we have the camera covers. So let's go ahead and open up these and pull this card out. You'll see that here we have lens protectors. Very nice. And applying these is pretty easy. We're going to turn our phone over. Let's go ahead and have a surface that won't scratch anything up. We're going to use the microfiber cloth to clean the cameras really well. And then we're going to remove these one by one. We'll take the first lens off, remove the plastic film, and drop it into place. And we'll do the same for the others. We'll pull the lens up, pull the plastic film off, and simply drop it into place. Final one, simply drop that into place, and you're good to go. If you ever want to remove them, it does come with a tool here that has a little lip on the end, and you can just put it underneath and pop it off. Now, the final part, and this is not a sponsor, but we do need a phone case. So I have this phone case by T-Cole, and we're just going to open this guy up because it's very similar to the phone case I already use on my 11 Pro. So we're going to use the same one. So we'll go ahead and open this here. You're getting a triple unboxing today, a quadruple unboxing actually. I'm going to pull the case out and see what comes with it. We've got a T-Cool card here. Let's see what's inside this. So we have smile even when it rains. We got a little corgi eating an ice cream, it looks like. We've got I need more space. It's a American lion in space. Awesome. And then the T-Cole thank you card. Alrighty. We have some cleaning tools here as well. and the case itself. Let's go ahead and open this up and see which one I chose here. We do get some free screen protectors, but we don't need these because we have, oh no, our amazing protected phone here by WSKEN. We have our front and rear camera protectors, so we don't need these, but we do need a case. And here it is. This is a MagSafe compatible case. So we do have the magnets on the back as well as the cutouts for the cameras. Let's go ahead and place this in. And that's all there is to it. Your phone is protected. This is an iPhone 15 Pro Max. Thank you so much for hanging out. And as always, have a good one. Peace. Unboxing kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, 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 the architect, MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, yeah, MikeTheTech, the architect,